Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check this out. This is a 2012, a lifted, rough country lifted 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. 5.3 liter 4x4 extended cab. Nice little lift kit on it. I want to say it's like a 6-inch rough country. There you go, rough country right there. There's your rough country drop bracket. That looks like a, might be a 5.5. I don't know. Probably somewhere around that range. I can measure it later on, but diesel tow mirrors, bullet style antenna, American TRUXX wheels. These are a 20x12 American TRUXX wheels, American TRUXX set of wheels, mounted on a set of blade trail blade ATTURO trail blade XT tires. These are a 35 1250 20 tire. Front turn left and right, no problem at all. When you're backing up, it might rub a tiny bit down on the balance right there, but you can just trim that, was it a millimeter off? Interior is really nice. Got my plate right there, my towel to wipe dust off. But no, really nice factory Chevrolet booklet right there. Flip up center console, or flip up, what do you call it? Center console. These are extended doors right here. Rockford Fosgate amp with a box that matches to underneath the seat. All right, can't lift it up. Nice little custom box right there. I don't know exactly what kind of subs they are. Landon, what are they, 212s? Probably 212s or a 10. Maybe he's right. It feels like a 10. It's under there. Anywho, yeah. I think it's a 10. Maybe it's a 10. But cab corners, rocker panels, no rust at all. Really, really nice truck. Still has the sticker from the Chevrolet dealership right on the side of the frame. No rust truck, Southern truck. I want to say I spent the whole life in Virginia. Door panels are nice. Doors close good. No issues. Runs and drives great. She's a clean truck. The upside, oh crap. What did I do? Hope I didn't do anything. Nope, we're good. Top side's clean. Has a little scratch and a dent up top. Back side's pretty good. Comes with a full. Here's the best part about it. Comes with a full full size spare right there. Needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but a full size spare. A lot of you truck guys, when you buy a lifted truck, they neglect the fact to, when you break down or something happens or you get a flat, what are you going to do? Well, usually when you put your spare on, you can limp to where you're going to go. It's be going sideways and you'll be fighting that steering wheel. The best place to put it is in the back because you're dragging it. But with that said, not a problem with this truck. Comes with a full-size spare. Rough country monotube shocks, all 4 corners. Flex fuel truck, 93 octane gasoline in it, and she runs and drives good. The body's in good shape. Like I said, you get your tow mirrors right here. I did replace the lower seat panel because it had a little rip right there, so I put this is a brand new seat cover. Our upholstery guy just put this in a week ago, so it's brand new. Miles, let's check the miles out. Ready? You're not gonna believe it. 217,688 maintained miles. Runs and drives great. All the controls on the steering wheel right here, right and left. Center console with the remote for the Sony doubled-in head unit. And a backup camera. It's got the remote for, I guess it does have, is this the remote start, Landon? Damn, it's got a remote start. Look at that. Pretty cool. 4-wheel drive works great. Traction control, dual climate control. And here's the backup camera. Start it up for you. There's your backup camera. For your safety, do not operate the vehicle. Tire flashing, because those things never last. Those things are crock of poop anyways. Whoever invented those should be slapped on the wrist. Little USB charger thing here, cigarette lighter there, mirrors. Check out the power plant. Door panel looks good. All power windows and locks right here. There's your VIN number. Under this side of the frame looks really good too. Clean truck. Look good. And then we'll roll. It's getting kind of dark out. Fluids are in good shape. All fluids are intact. Factory airbox, 5.3 liter Vortec engine. And she's clean. She really is. The guy who had this is a really nice guy. Super nice guy. Maintained it and kept up with it. Smells clean inside. The interior smells really nice and clean. No problems at all. So if you have any questions, hit us up, 540-898-3025. This is the, oh, I got my OCD kicking in. Let me close the door. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna take the key out because last time the key's locked inside. So if you guys have any questions, power driver's seat, by the way. If you guys have any questions, 540-898-3025, or visit the website, superiorwholesale.org. That's superiorwholesale.org. This is a 2012 Silverado 1500. Lifted. It's going to be priced aggressively. Mid-teens, I want to say, or lower teens, probably under $15,000 for a truck. Runs and drives great. So give us a shout. All right, take care, guys.